Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add sound effects to your project on the Filmmaker application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, if you go to the new project button at the upper side of the screen, you can make a new project, and in the project section you can find your old projects. New, I find and I select an old project, and if you go to the right side of the screen, click to the second button, the sound, and here select the second option, the sound effects, and here you can find different option, and for example click to the funny and you can select different options. And if you want to add to your video, click to the plus icon. But actually that's a premium sound effect, so I can't select because I don't have premium membership. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.